so flavorful. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is No Chefs here, and today I've got basil. This is exciting for me because out of all places I got it from a regular Western grocery store. I'm pretty sure that that's not normal that they sell it, at least where I live. So immediately when I saw it, I grabbed some. I want to make the Thai style basil chicken. So let's get started. So for the first step, I'm going to prepare chicken. This is just boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 2 of them. Just want to cut in bite-sized pieces. This is what I'm kind of aiming for. And chicken meat is very tender, okay? I'm not going to marinate it with anything, but I will let it sit out to come up to room temperature. So next, I'm going to prepare actual flavoring of these red Thai chili peppers. And if you've had them before, you know they're spicy, but they're also super flavorful. Use as many as you want or as little as you want. By the way, all of the ingredients and amounts are in description box below. So let's just take these stems. Garlic, just go ahead and smash. Peel nice and easy. Get rid of this hard stem. So here I have the Thai chilies and the peeled garlic, and I'm just going to mash them. You don't have to do this. You can just go ahead and chop them really fine, but I feel like this method will actually extract most amount of juice and oil from the chilies and garlic. Alright, so here's what I've got. It doesn't have to be super fine. Like I mentioned, I just wanted to extract some really good natural oils and flavors from these chilies and garlic. And my gosh, you know, it smells fantastic. Next, we'll make stir-fry sauce. Oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon. Dark soy sauce for color, just about 1/4 tablespoon. One tablespoon water. So this is pretty simple, easy sauce, right? If you follow me for a while, you know I don't like to add sugar into my dishes, alright? I would much rather season lightly and not put myself in a situation where I need to balance things out, but it is of course up to you. So here's our beautiful basil. I'm just gonna go ahead and take a nice handful of these flavorful leaves. Just pick them off the stem. Here I have probably a little more than I ever need for this particular 1 serving dish, but the leaves will shrink a lot under heat, so I would rather have extra than not enough. I want to make mine today with an egg on the side, and Thai style fried egg is not just pan fried, it's more like deep fried, okay? So quite a bit of oil. I think I have about maybe 3 tablespoons in here, and when the bubbles begin to form, now just start basting that egg from the top with a hot oil. This is not ideal because the spoon is metal, but I am being very careful. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and set this egg aside on a paper towel. There you go. Alright, now I took most of that oil out. I have just about a tablespoon now. And we're gonna make the chicken. Now the chicken is no longer pink. Going in with that chili and garlic seasoning. Finally, going with a sauce to the side of the wok. See how all that sauce got absorbed very well? Now I'm just gonna kill the heat. You know what? Just gonna take some of that oil. Too much to my liking. Adding the Thai basil. You see how the leaves are immediately shrunk under this remainder of the heat. Okay, we're basically done. Let's give it a try. Check out this yolk. It is very flavorful. Now I can take this creamy egg with the chicken and the basil. I have basil on the side. Rather simple but delicious dish. Well, this is it for this recipe and this episode. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching as always. Until next time, I wish you nothing but the best.